Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to talk about how to create an awesome image slider for your website or project. So let's start. This is our editor. I am using VS Code. I am taking a div with class name slider container. Inside this container, button tag. Button name will be preview. Class function on click. Function name move to preview slide. Next, we are adding a div with class name slider. Inside this slider, taking a div with class name slide, image name. Now copy this and paste. Here I am taking 5 div, change image. Now change this. Copy this button and paste after this slider div and change function name. Next, linking the CSS file style.css. Now let's go to CSS file, universal selector, margin will be 0, padding 0, box sizing border box, font family, Arial sans serif, body tag, display flag, justify content center, align items center and height 100 bh. Go to the HTML file, copy this class name, paste it there with 100% position relative, overflow hidden. Now let's see the output. Now go to the HTML file, copy this class slider, go to CSS file, paste it, display flags, transition, transform, 0.5 second, easy in out. Now go to HTML file, copy this slide, class name and go to CSS file, paste it with 25%, flex shrink 0, margin from right 10 pixel, height will be 38 bh, 25% width for each image and margin from right, add a gap between each image. Now I will style this image. So class name slide and image width will be 100% and height will be 100%, object fit cover. Now go to HTML file. Now I will style this button. So tag name button, position absolute, top 50%, transform, translate y minus 50%, background color I'm using RGB color white, border none, adding 10 pixel from all side, font size 18 pixel, cursor pointer, z index 10. Go to HTML file, copy this class and paste here, left 10 pixel. Go to HTML file, change this class name, copy this and paste, right 10 pixel. Let's see, give here width 90%, let current index equal to 0, const total slide equal document dot query selector all. Go to HTML file, copy this class name slide. Now go to JS file and paste here dot length const slides to show equal to 4 because we want 4 images at once. Now move to the next slide function. Now go to HTML file, copy this function name, move to next slide. Go to JS file, paste. Now copy this current index equal to current index plus 1% total slide minus slide to show plus 1 const slider equal to document dot query selector. Now go to HTML file, copy this class name, paste slider dot style dot transfer translate x current index. Now let's see output. Change this button name, go to HTML file,